All right, now we have 7 pounds of exploding target in an old washing machine. That's it in the very bottom. Hold on, I'm turning on the slow-mo cam, Jared.
Ready.
On 20 power.
Ready for fire?
Hold on, not ready. Getting close. Let me kick it up to like 40 power here. Hold on, that's worse. I am adjusting zoom and
Ready?
ready. On? Yeah, just keep going. Oh, I didn't watch. Sorry, I'll watch this time. Woo! That sucker's gone. I gotta zoom in on it. Look. It is like nowhere to be seen. Neither's the foundation. I think you took a hole out in the foundation.
Let's go see.
You did. You took half the foundation out with it.